Caviar has introduced the UFO collection of luxury custom-made iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max designs, which incorporate material from outer space. Fragments from the meteor containing amino acids. Caviar uses fragments from the Murchison meteor, in which scientists have discovered 15 amino acids from outer space. The meteorite is likely 7 billion years old, which is more than the age of planet Earth, which is 4.54 billion years, making it the oldest material currently on Earth. That said, material is a part of the so-called alien chassis design, but the back portrays the predator. The company has complemented the alien with two other options: the spaceship theme, Astral and Starship. The former shows the image of the universe, while the other is inspired by the spaceship. For this device, Caviar uses meteorites from the Moon and Mars, 24 karat gold, aviation grade titanium, and stainless steel. These custom phones will set you back by $9,000 each. And is it really necessary? No comments. Rich people are really dumb.